vibe videos, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna build some explanation as I pointed out to you. Alrighty.
Build it right on top of the concrete wall. I anchored it and I put it in there with screws, and then I put this one, so it's a double layer stack. So I'm gonna unscrew this one, pull this one back. So then I'm gonna do my 2-foot fit for these 2-foot tote shelves that they had awesomely on sale on Home Depot. Sponsor me yet for these videos for our media that I bought to fit up. So I'm gonna put a time-lapse video as I go all the way around, as you can see, for both sides on this. I'm gonna separate it, slide them in there, shoot them when I'm done quick. Always and be safe. God bless. Another one brought to you by Gali Vavati.